Hey guys, so today I found diamonds, so then I only found 3 actually, so then I went to the, I have little lava things, so I told that it's obsidian, and I went to, well, I built the nether portal, I actually haven't went to the nether yet, so I need to fix it real quick. I guess wait a second. There we go, let's fix. Okay, so I really want to explore this, but I'm not going to take my diamond stuff. Well, my diamond thing. No, I'm going to take food and stuff. Well, and blocks. Yes, these will be useful. Oh yeah, I found it, the diamonds in the mine and stuff, so I'm just grabbing my food and, no, that's not it. Here it is. So, plus I'm going to the nether. Okay, for this here, I can see. No, what the heck? Oh. I'm so lucky, why am I lucky? Yeah. Just collecting samples, don't worry about me. I need blaze powder, or whatever it is, so I can go to the end city and get elytra. That's been a long time. Definitely not this week. Ooh, gas. I'm not getting it. Oh, close up. I can get some of that. Ooh, that gas is scaring me. It's probably down now. So sand. Okay, I'll need that also. I forget you can't water clutch. Yes. Magnet blocks too, yes. Okay, making the safe put on. Check some of this. Don't burn lava. Okay. And I'm probably gonna build see if I can build like a trap with if a zombie spawns in it or something, or kill them because there'll be pressure plates and arrows. So I'll just fire them and kill them, and then there'll be hot balls. So if you guys want me to do that in the next video or something, I'll do it. Probably do it anyways, to be honest. So I can get cool limited stuff. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's one of these? I never actually found one of these. Is it like a real slime? Jeez. Stop it! Oh, baby slimes. Those are baby slimes? Oh, those baby slimes! These nether slime blocks. What the heck did these do? Actually. Oh, I'm gonna die, I didn't die by accident. Oh shoot, I forgot about the gas. Run! Don't let the gas see you. Let the gas see you. Just run for your life, Cannon. Oh, we're close. I'm gonna run. You can hear it getting closer. Oh, I have headphones in. Sorry, guys. Oh, that is laggy. Okay, I'm gonna look up what these magma things. I've definitely seen the bots. Forgot what they do. And I'll show you guys why I need magna and soul sand blocks in a little bit. Oh, I'm going to that mine and see if there's any redstone, because I haven't made this yet. I need you to do that so I can have the fish farm. Please, I've been to the nether and I haven't even built a house yet. And my brother has a realm, so I've been like practicing on it. And I didn't find diamonds except for like dog day, so me finding diamonds in like 30 minutes is actually really good, so. 3 diamonds in 30 minutes equal a lot of diamonds in a day. So I'm gonna go mining for more diamonds and make that fishing farm. So, wait a second. No! Let me see this. Okay, is the video going to? This? You guys can't see my hot bar right now because this thing, but wait. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, never mind. You guys can hear me. Okay. Oh, my weed! I forgot about it. I really need to be my cash. And cheap. I'm gonna just replant this. And I'll go breed my sheep and stuff. Oh, and I'm gonna make that hop oven because I didn't get to make it yet because I didn't have the iron. Oh, my mouse just died. Oh, I'm gonna pause this right here, go grab my mouse, and make the hop off, and I will resume it. Wait, pause, 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 pause. Pause, why is it not pausing? Okay, well, I'm gonna run upstairs real quick, and get a charger. So, see you in like 30 seconds. Be right back. I'm one. Oh, stinted. Dang it. Is there any charger? Okay, be back again in 30 seconds. Okay, now I can pause it. So I'm gonna pause it real quick. I'm gonna build the house. Okay, guys. So I actually couldn't do that because sheep need grass to grow the fallback, or not fall, rollback. And so I couldn't build. I was trying to build, but I bet there's a way to do it. And I know there's a way that El Mango, he did one where you get unlimited wool, but you need so much bone meal. So once I get good, I'm actually gonna build that. That's one of the things I can build. And then I'm just gonna try to do that. Well, this is gonna be it for the video, guys. Bye. Happy holidays, like always. And actually recorded 2 videos today. That's fun.